Okay, today we will be talking about PIC valves. So, what is a PIC valve? A PIC valve is a pressure independent control valve. It includes a pressure regulator, a flow limiter, and a control valve in one single device.
Woo!
So they also have these pneumatic options. We're replacing all of the pneumatic valves in our commercial office building with these electronic PIC valves. The problem with the pneumatics, you have to have a pressure transducer like this. You have to have air lines ran all over your building. You have to maintain an air compressor just for the system. So these electronic PIC valves are much more easy to manage and operate. Reduce overhead costs because you're not running an air compressor. So let's look at the main components of a PIC valve. You have the valve body, in this case 3/4 inch NPT. You have the electronic actuator that sits on top of the valve body. Something to note, these are one way. You see the arrow. Inside the actuator, there's the terminals where the wires land and some dip switches. You'll also see there's LED status indicator lights telling you if the valve is opened or closed on the other side here. These also can be manually activated, and they're controlled by your BAS system. So these would go in line on the chilled water line on your fan coil units, like in our commercial office building, providing chilled water to all the fan coil units. So when you call for cooling, the controller would send a 24 volts to that PIC valve, and the controller sits inside this control box on the side of each fan coil unit in the commercial office space, up in the drop ceiling. And again, all this controlled by your BAS. So here's what they look like installed.
Wow.
You can see there's a ball valve before and after to isolate them for maintenance or replacement. Lines are insulated. Here's a unit powered up and activated. Again, this is 24 volts. I hope this information helps you. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.